I have recently found another very good way to do KDP keyword research for your low content and no content books. By using this method, I have found a lot of keywords within few clicks. You can see here most of these keywords are really profitable and have low number of search results on Amazon. You can see here I have over 130 keywords here, and I am analyzing these keywords, and while analyzing these keywords I have found more relevant keywords that are low competition and profitable as well. So while doing this research, I thought why not to share this with you. So stick around, I will share the same whole process with you. This KDP keyword research method is totally free and you don't need to use any paid or keyword research tool to find these profitable KDP keywords. So let's get started. All you need to do is to create a manual ad set for a type of books you want to create more books for. For example, you have a kindergarten handwriting practice paper or handwriting practice paper for kids, and it is selling, or even if it is not selling, you want to create different books in the same niche. All you need to do is to create a manual ad set for your existing book and select the product here. This is a simple ad campaign. I am just selecting this standard ad here, and then I have pasted the ISBN here and selected one product. This product is handwriting practice paper for kids. So I have selected this, and after that you need to go to the targeting section here and change from automatic to manual targeting here. Then the keywords, just scroll down here and uncheck this box broad, uncheck this one phrase, keep this exact, and then change the bid to custom bid and select a very low bid so that if your ads goes live then you are not getting clicked. So select 0.5 and then click here on add all. So once you click on add all these keywords will be added to your list. These are very relevant keywords to the type of book like handwriting practice paper, and I have found a lot of low competition keywords within this list. You can see here in the list very good keywords here. I have skipped the keyword with a lot of number of results, so then I kept the keywords that have 3000 or less Amazon results. I also use these keywords as starting point for my KDP keyword research, and I managed to find a lot of more related keywords. So once you have selected this, you can go down and here dynamic bids down only, and then you can rename the campaign like handwriting practice paper. There are two ways to use these keywords. The one way is to copy these keywords manually, and the second way is to let the ad go live and then go to the ad setting and export. So I am using the second way. I will let this ad get approved from Amazon. So I will use the end date as the maximum 1 day so that it is not running, and budget to $1 only. Then I will click on the launch campaign. When this campaign is launched, then I can go back to the campaign here. This is the exact campaign I have created for this KDP keyword search method. This is live here. You can see here end date is May 31, 2022. I am running this because I wanted to create ad set for that specific book. Then you need to click on this one, and then it will open a new page here, and you can see here you will see the target. These are the keywords you have just found using this method. All you need to do is click on these keywords and it will open a new page here. And this would be a long list of keywords for you. You can click on the export button here. Just click on export and it will generate an Excel sheet. Click on save. Once this is saved, you can open this, and within Excel sheet you can copy this column only. Just click here and keep selecting. We don't need extra column here. Copy these keywords and create a new Excel sheet here and paste here. I have already done this process. Then you keep analyzing these keywords. What I do is I go to the Amazon.com and search for that keyword and note down the search results. If the search results are higher than 3000, I just click skip and I don't analyze this keyword further. And if the search results are less than 3000, like 1000, 2000 or 1500 or within the range of 100 to 3000. Check the profitability of the keyword. How do I check the profitability? Let me show you that. To check the profitability and the competition, I go to the Amazon.com here and then enter the keyword. You can see here I have selected a US IP address here. You can see the number of results are 2000. That is good one. And now we need to check the profitability. And for that I have installed an extension, that is Amazon Quick View, DS Amazon Quick View. It lets me view the BSRs very quickly. I am aiming to find 5 to 6 products with BSR less than 150k or 100k. So one product we have found, 1, 2, 3, not very good BSR, but 29,000, 20,000. So it means there is a demand, there is profitability. So I will mark this as yes. You can see here I mark this as yes. I have 3 options: yes, no, or skip. If the search results are way more, like over 3000, I just skip. And if the search results are less than 3000, I just further analyze the keyword for profitability. If I found 5 to 6 relevant listings with BSRs less than 150k, then I mark this as profitable. I hope you have got the idea. I have quickly found these keywords using only the Amazon ads, and that is the manual ad set. Create a manual ad set, select a product, relevant product you want to create more books for. Go to the targeting section here. I am quickly revising this here, manual targeting, keyword targeting, and down here uncheck these 2 boxes and add all these exact keywords. And once you have added, then give a name to your campaign here and select very low bid and then launch the campaign. And once the campaign is launched, go to the setting, click open the campaign here, then go here and then click on the targets, and finally you will be presented with a list of the targets, and then you can simply export and copy the keyword to an Excel sheet like I did. Then you can create 2 more columns like search results and keyword profitability, and use a data validation command. Like you can click on this column and go to the data and data validation here and use options like yes, no, or skip, and then click on save. So in this way I am able to find a lot of keywords choosing only the Amazon ads. No paid tool, no free tool, no waste of time, and this is very quick and very simple way. In this way I can find the relevant keyword like primary writing paper. I will write this primary writing paper. Then I will notice the drop down menu here, and also I can find relevant keywords as well, like primary writing paper first grade, primary writing paper K2 top. No, this is not relevant. So if we click on this one, it shows a lot of search results. I will skip this and I can check more keywords like the picture box. So I hope you get the idea. It is 8000. Using this method, I have found these keywords from a very simple keyword like first grade writing. This keyword was first grade writing paper, and I managed to find this long tail keyword with search results of 292 only, and it was profitable as well. Then I found handwriting notebook with dotted lines, 834 results, handwriting notebook for kids ages 4 to 8, handwriting notebook for kids and beginners, 1k results, and it is profitable. So this is very simple and very easy way to do keyword research for your low content and no content books. I hope you will love this video and this method. If you do so, then do give this video a like and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to watch my next video. It is a long tutorial about finding low competition keywords. It is in-depth tutorial. Do watch this and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.